The dark side of ignoring Jewish money rules in your 20s. Picture two 22-year-olds starting their first real jobs, both earning $45,000 annually. The first guy immediately upgrades his lifestyle, leases a nice car, rents an expensive apartment, buys designer clothes, and spends weekends at expensive bars. He figures he's young and should live a little before getting serious about money later. The second guy drives a reliable used car, lives with roommates, shops at discount stores, and spends his evenings reading about investing. His friends think he's cheap and missing out on the best years of his life. Fast forward to age 35. The first guy is drowning in credit card debt, has zero savings, drives a car he can't afford, and panics every time an unexpected expense hits. He looks successful on Instagram, but is one paycheck away from financial disaster. The second guy owns rental properties, has a six-figure investment portfolio, and just bought his dream house with cash. While his old friends are still living paycheck to paycheck, he's achieved financial independence by following principles most people ignore in their 20s. Here's the brutal truth. Your 20s are either your wealth-building foundation or your financial destruction period, and most Americans choose destruction without even realizing it. While Jewish communities have been teaching young people wealth-building principles for thousands of years, American culture encourages 20-somethings to spend, consume, and worry about money later. The dark side of ignoring Jewish money rules in your 20s isn't just missing opportunities, it's creating decades of financial struggle that becomes nearly impossible to escape. The habits you build and decisions you make between the ages of 20 to 30 determine whether you'll be financially free or financially trapped for the rest of your life. Today, I'm exposing the devastating consequences of ignoring time-tested wealth principles during your most critical financial decade. If you're over 30 and recognizing these mistakes in your own past, or if you want to save younger people from financial destruction, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and comment "Wake Up Call" below. Because these truths might be painful, but they're essential for understanding why so many people struggle financially for decades. Rule number 1: the debt trap that destroys your financial future. Here's the first devastating consequence of ignoring Jewish money principles in your 20s. You get seduced into the debt trap that destroys wealth for decades. Most 20-somethings think credit cards and loans are building credit when they're actually building financial prison walls that become nearly impossible to escape. The dark side is that every dollar you borrow in your 20s costs you exponentially more wealth over your lifetime because compound interest works against you instead of for you. While Jewish families teach young people to avoid debt except for appreciating assets, American culture encourages 20-somethings to finance everything from cars to furniture to vacations. Jewish tradition emphasizes that the borrower becomes servant to the lender. Because debt creates ongoing obligations that prevent wealth building. Young people who understand this principle avoid consumer debt and use their 20s to build assets instead of liabilities that drain wealth for decades. Calculate the true cost of debt decisions made in your 20s. A $25,000 car loan at 6% takes 6 years to pay off and costs $32,000 total. That same $25,000 invested at 8% annual returns would grow to $117,000 over 20 years. Your car purchase actually costs $117,000 in lost wealth, not just the $25,000 you borrowed. A man I know accumulated $35,000 in credit card debt during his 20s, buying clothes, electronics, and funding a lifestyle he couldn't afford. By age 40, he had paid over $65,000 trying to eliminate that debt while missing decades of investment opportunities. His 20-something debt decisions cost him hundreds of thousands in lost wealth building. There was a young woman who financed a $40,000 luxury car at age 24 because she deserved to look successful. 20 years later, she calculated that her car payments, insurance, and maintenance had cost over $180,000, while preventing her from investing money that could have grown to $400,000. Her one bad decision in her 20s delayed her financial independence by decades. A Jewish family taught their 22-year-old son to buy a reliable $8,000 used car with cash instead of financing a $30,000 new car. He invested the $500 monthly payment difference for 15 years, accumulating $140,000 in wealth while his friends were still making car payments on depreciating assets. When you fall into the debt trap during your 20s, you trade decades of wealth building for temporary lifestyle upgrades that destroy your financial future before it even begins. Rule number 2: the lifestyle inflation that steals your wealth building years. The second dark consequence of ignoring Jewish money principles is lifestyle inflation that steals your most powerful wealth building decade. Most 20-somethings increase their spending every time their income grows, thinking they can get serious about money later, not realizing that their 20s are when compound interest creates the most wealth. The devastating reality is that money not invested in your 20s can never be recovered, because time is the most powerful factor in wealth building. Jewish families understand that living below your means during your highest energy, lowest responsibility years creates generational wealth that lifestyle inflation destroys permanently. Jewish tradition teaches that modest living during productive years creates abundance later, while luxury consumption during productive years creates poverty later. They understand that your 20s determine whether you'll build wealth or just earn money that disappears through consumption. Calculate what lifestyle inflation in your 20s actually costs over your lifetime. If you spend an extra $500 monthly on restaurants, entertainment, and luxury items instead of investing it, you're giving up $1.2 million over 30 years at 8% returns. Your 20s lifestyle choices literally determine whether you retire wealthy or broke. A woman spent her 20s earning $60,000 annually, but increased her lifestyle to match her income. Expensive apartment, dining out, designer clothes, exotic vacations. By age 35, she had accumulated zero wealth despite earning over $600,000 total. Her lifestyle inflation had consumed every dollar, while her disciplined friend who lived modestly had built $180,000 in investments. There was a young professional who got promoted 3 times during his 20s, increasing his salary from $40,000 to $75,000. Instead of investing the increases, he upgraded his apartment, car, and lifestyle each time. By age 32, he was living paycheck to paycheck on $75,000, while a coworker who maintained his original $40,000 lifestyle had invested the difference and accumulated $95,000 in wealth. An elderly Jewish businessman reflected that his modest lifestyle during his 20s, living with roommates, cooking at home, driving an old car, allowed him to invest aggressively during the most powerful compound growth years. His lifestyle discipline during 1 decade created wealth that funded luxury for the remaining 5 decades of his life. When lifestyle inflation steals your 20s, you trade the most powerful wealth-building years for temporary pleasures that leave you financially struggling for decades. Rule number 3: the investment ignorance that costs millions. The third devastating consequence is investment ignorance during your 20s that literally costs millions in lost wealth. Most young people think they have plenty of time to invest later, not understanding that starting early is worth more than any amount of money you can invest in your 40s or 50s. The dark side is that every year you delay investing in your 20s costs exponentially more wealth than most people can ever recover. Jewish families teach young people that time is more valuable than money in investing because compound growth does the heavy lifting when you start early. Jewish tradition emphasizes that small seeds planted early grow into mighty trees, while large efforts applied late produce minimal results. They understand that $100 monthly invested at age 22 creates more wealth than $500 invested at age 35. Because time amplifies money exponentially. Start investing immediately, even if it's just $50 monthly into index funds. A person who invests $200 monthly from age 22 to 32 and then stops will have more wealth at retirement than someone who invests $400 monthly from age 32 to 62. despite contributing half as much money. Early investing leverage is impossible to replicate later. A man realized at age 45 that his failure to invest during his 20s cost him over $800,000 in retirement wealth. If he had invested just $300 monthly from age 22 to 32, then stopped completely, he would have accumulated more wealth than his aggressive $1,000 monthly contributions from age 35 to 65. His 10-year delay cost him decades of compound growth. There was a young woman who thought investing was too complicated and kept her money in savings accounts throughout her 20s. When she finally started investing at age 30, her financial advisor showed her that her delay cost approximately $650,000 in lost compound growth. She learned that investment ignorance is the most expensive education anyone can receive. A Jewish family taught their 23-year-old daughter to invest $250 monthly immediately after starting her career. Her friends thought she was crazy to tie up money in investments. By age 35, her early investing habit had created $120,000 in wealth, while her friends were just beginning to consider retirement planning. When investment ignorance steals your 20s, you lose the most powerful wealth-building force in the universe, time, combined with compound interest that can never be recovered later. Rule number 4, the career limitations from financial desperation. The fourth dark consequence is how financial ignorance in your 20s creates career limitations that trap you in jobs you hate for decades. When you live paycheck to paycheck because of poor financial decisions, you lose the freedom to take risks, change careers, or pursue opportunities that could dramatically increase your earning potential. The devastating reality is that financial desperation forces you to accept whatever job pays the bills, rather than building careers that create wealth. Jewish families understand that financial stability in your 20s creates career flexibility that desperate people never have. Jewish tradition teaches that financial preparation creates opportunities, while financial desperation creates limitations. They understand that having savings and no debt gives young people the power to negotiate, take calculated risks, and pursue higher-paying opportunities that financially desperate people must refuse. Build an emergency fund and eliminate debt so you can make career decisions based on opportunity rather than desperation. Financial stability allows you to negotiate salaries, change careers, start businesses, or pursue education that increases earning potential, rather than staying trapped in jobs just because you need immediate income. A man stayed in a low-paying job for 15 years because his debt obligations prevented him from taking risks or pursuing better opportunities. His poor financial decisions in his 20s forced him to accept whatever income he could get, rather than building a career that matched his potential. His financial desperation cost him hundreds of thousands in lifetime earnings. Are you starting to realize how financial decisions in your 20s create consequences that last for decades? If these dark truths are making you reconsider past choices or want to help younger people avoid these mistakes, comment "Never Again" below. If you're currently in your 20s or want more strategies for building wealth early, comment "Fix this now" so I know what content helps most. Now let's dive into the final devastating consequence that affects every aspect of your life. Rule number 5, the relationship and family destruction from financial stress. The final and perhaps most devastating consequence is how financial ignorance in your 20s destroys relationships and family stability for decades. Financial stress from poor money decisions creates marriages that fail, limits family choices, and forces couples to delay or abandon life goals that require financial stability. The dark side is that financial pressure from 20s mistakes creates ongoing stress that damages every aspect of your personal life. Jewish families understand that financial stability creates strong relationships, while financial stress destroys families, regardless of how much people love each other. Jewish tradition emphasizes that financial wisdom protects family harmony because money stress is one of the primary destroyers of marriages and family stability. They teach young people that financial preparation is actually relationship preparation, because couples who struggle with money struggle with everything. Understand that financial decisions in your 20s directly impact your future family's stability, opportunities, and quality of life. Poor money choices create stress that damages marriages, limits children's opportunities, and forces families to live with constant financial anxiety rather than pursuing dreams and goals. A couple accumulated significant debt during their 20s through lifestyle choices and poor financial decisions. Their financial stress contributed to constant arguing, delayed having children for 8 years while paying off debt, and eventually led to divorce, partially due to ongoing money pressure. Their 20s financial mistakes destroyed their family dreams and relationship stability. There was a man whose debt from his 20s prevented him from buying a home with his wife until age 38, forcing them to raise 2 children in cramped rental apartments while paying other people's mortgages. His early financial mistakes limited his family's stability and his children's opportunities during their most formative years. A Jewish couple who followed wealth principles during their 20s bought their first home at 28, had children when they wanted them, rather than when they could afford them, and provided educational opportunities their peers couldn't offer. Their early financial wisdom created family stability and opportunities that financial stress never could have allowed. When financial ignorance destroys your 20s, you create decades of stress that damages relationships, limits family choices, and forces everyone you love to suffer consequences from decisions made before you understood their true cost. Now you understand the devastating consequences of ignoring Jewish money rules during your 20s. Debt that enslaves you for decades. Lifestyle inflation that steals wealth-building years. Investment ignorance that costs millions. Career limitations from financial desperation, and relationship destruction from money stress. These aren't just financial mistakes. They're life-altering decisions that determine whether you build wealth or struggle financially for the rest of your life. The brutal truth is that your 20s are either your wealth-building foundation or your financial destruction period. And most Americans choose destruction without realizing the permanent consequences. When you fall into debt traps, inflate your lifestyle, ignore investing, become financially desperate, and create money stress, you trade 1 decade of discipline for 5 decades of financial struggle. If you're in your 20s right now, choose one principle to implement immediately this week. Whether it's eliminating debt, controlling lifestyle inflation, starting investments, building emergency funds, or learning financial literacy, the decisions you make today determine your entire financial future. If you're over 30 and recognizing these mistakes from your past, which consequence hit you hardest? Comment below and share your experience. Your honesty helps younger people avoid the same financial destruction and shows them the real cost of ignoring wealth principles. If these dark truths are helping you understand why financial education in your 20s is critical, share this video with someone who needs to see these consequences before it's too late. Sometimes one honest conversation can save someone from decades of financial regret. What other financial mistakes would you like me to expose next? Comment below and let me know what topics would help you or others avoid financial destruction. Here's the final truth. Your 20s determine whether you'll spend your life building wealth or recovering from financial mistakes. The choice is yours, but the consequences last forever. Choose wisdom over pleasure, discipline over comfort, and financial freedom over temporary satisfaction. Remember, successful people learn from other people's mistakes, while unsuccessful people insist on making their own. Learn from these consequences and build the financial foundation that creates the life you actually want.